Everyone online talks about making 10,000 euros a month, but let's be real. Most people just want to make an extra 100 euros a day. Because 100 euros a day means 3,000 euros a month, and that can literally change your life. You can save more, invest more, and stop stressing every time your bank app loads. So in this video, I'll show you 3 real ways to make 100 euros a day. No scams, no crypto hype, just what actually works in 2025. Before we start, think about this. 100 euros a day equals 700 euros a week, or over 36,000 euros a year. And you don't even need to quit your job or school to reach that. This isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about getting freedom. So let's start with the most beginner-friendly way to make it happen. The first way is freelancing, turning your skills into money. If you can edit videos, write simple text, design thumbnails, or even do AI voiceovers, you can get paid. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you post a gig for free. Start small. For example, I'll edit your TikTok video for 10 euros. Get 10 of those jobs a day, and you're at 100 euros. Here's the trick. Over-deliver on the first few projects. Get 5-star reviews, and then raise your prices. Soon, you'll be charging 50 euros per video instead of 10 euros. A friend of mine started doing small caption edits. Now he earns 150 euros a day just from repeat clients. Once you've learned a skill people need, freelancing can replace a part-time job easily. Next, digital products. These are things you make once and sell forever. Templates, planners, resumes, Notion dashboards, printable designs, anything that solves a small problem. Use Canva or ChatGPT to help you create them and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or even Payhip. Here's an example. Let's say you design a student budget tracker template and list it for 8 euros. You sell just 15 copies a day. That's 120 euros. The best part? There's no packaging, no shipping, and no customer service. Once it's online, it earns while you sleep. This is perfect if you want something passive. It can take a few weeks to build, but then it just runs itself. Third, flipping and reselling. You buy something undervalued and sell it for more. Think sneakers, furniture, used tech, or collectibles. Use Facebook Marketplace, Vinted, or eBay to find deals. One simple example, you buy a used phone for 80 euros, clean it, relist it for 130 euros, that's 50 euros profit. Do that twice a day, and you're over 100 euros. Some people go all in and hit 500 euros a week just flipping secondhand gear. The secret is learning what sells fast. Bonus idea, offer local microservices. If you can mow lawns, wash cars, clean driveways, or hang lights, that's instant cash flow. Print a few flyers, post in your local Facebook groups, and say, available this weekend. Fast, affordable, reliable. Charge 20 to 30 euros per job, do 3 to 5 a day, and you'll crush 100 euros easily. Not everything has to be online. Money's everywhere if you know how to look for it. But here's the truth. None of this works unless you actually start. You can watch 100 videos, but 100 euros will never show up unless you take action. Start small, stay consistent, and reinvest what you earn. That's how small daily wins turn into freedom over time. Thanks for watching till the end. If you're serious about improving your finances, hit subscribe. The next video might literally change how you see money. I'll see you there.